Hey kids, so today we are going to learn the different tools that we can use in Canva. To learn about different tools, let's first log into Canva. So to log into Canva, in the address bar over here, we should write www.canva.com and then click on enter key on your keyboard. Now when you click on enter key, your Canva home page will open in front of you. Now I am very much sure that most of you might have already logged into Canva. See, now my name is Neha, so my initial has come over here. So your initial should come over here. If it is not coming, if it is coming login or sign up, then do login or sign up using your school email ID. Okay. Now for the different tools that you can use using Canva, we'll first type wallpaper. Paper over in the search bar. Suppose I selected desktop wallpaper. So in the desktop wallpaper, let's select create a blank desktop wallpaper. Okay, we don't want to use any ready-made wallpaper, so we'll use a blank one. Now this on the left hand side that you see in a black ribbon, this template uploads photos, elements, text, audio, videos, background, folders. All these things are called as tools of Canva. So we are going to learn a few tools from here. Okay, so now the first tool is templates. Now about template I have already explained. Template is a ready-made thing that comes with a certain design and certain text written on it, such as, see, this one is a template. So if I click on this is a template that I can use. I can modify this template. See over here, I can double click on this text written and write something else on this. Suppose I write sunshine over here, so I can modify a template. Okay, now suppose I like this template, so I can use this template, see, and I can also edit this template by double clicking on the text that is written. So that is what we call as a template. Next thing that we are going to learn is the text option. See over here, there is a text option. Now for the text option, see, you will get different styles of text. See, such an amazing text. So let's use this one. Okay, so if I click on this one, it will come in the center of the template that I am using. See, like this. So if I drag this down, see, like this, it will come down. Love and joy. Now I can also edit this text by double clicking on the mouse, and this has been selected. Now if I click backspace, so it will go and you can write something else. Suppose I can write sunrise. You can edit the text written, you can remove it, you can change the color of it. See, you can select the text and change the color from here, like this, whatever you want to do to a text. You can also increase the size, or you can also decrease the size. Yeah, so this is how you can modify the text that has been written. Third option that we will learn today is the background option. See over here, there is a background option. You can select this background option and it gives you different backgrounds. See, these are the different backgrounds that you get on Canva. So you can use any one of these backgrounds. Suppose I use this background. So the background of this particular template will change. I can use this one. So the background will change. I can use this one. So you can do many different things using background. Okay, see. Okay, now last thing that we need to learn, but it is a very important thing, that is elements. Now elements have different things in it, such as shapes are there, frames are there, lines are there, arrows are there. See, there are so many different things. If I scroll down, You will see stickers also, the stickers that can move, see, like these. You can also add such things to your wallpaper. See, things like these are there. So there are so many different things. I can, suppose I want to put a flower over here, so I can put a flower over here. See, I can drag it over here and I can put it over here. So these all things are included in a elements option. I hope you understood the tools that I have explained, and if you have not understood, don't worry, we are going to learn more about Canva in our next few sessions. Once you start using it, you will get a better hold of it.